Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and configure order tracking in Shopify. So let's begin. So first of all, in order for us to easily configure and set up our order tracking here in our Shopify store, is that we're going to go here into our apps. We're going to search for apps and use apps in order for us to track our orders. So if you don't like codes and if you don't want to mess with codes here in Shopify, because codes are really prominent here in Shopify in order for you to customize your store, but an alternative way of doing that is through availing apps right here. So click here on apps in the search bar, and from here we're gonna go into order tracker. So when you go here, this would appear right here. So from here you can just go select the order tracker app that you'd want to avail, and remember, this would vary for every one of you guys. So if you have a different niche or you are in a different location, then the app that is best for you would probably vary, because you would need to, there will be certain couriers that is different from each location, so that would also be a deciding factor in deciding which app here to buy. So yes, these apps right here are paid, and most of them have free plans, so you don't have to worry about choosing the wrong one, because you can just go for the free plan, and if you don't like it, then you can just cancel it and choose another one. And you could also search here for FedEx. If you're in the US, then you can probably use the FedEx right here. And yeah, you can have this apps right here that uses FedEx right here. As you can see, it says FedEx shipping rates at checkout right here, so you can use this right here. And let's just try one right here. So let's go for this one right here. I can see that this has a lot of reviews right here, so this must be really famous. And we're gonna go try this one and click on add app. And from here you can track your orders using this app right here. So install app. And from here, we're sorry, temporary email addresses are not. And as you can see, I am currently not accepted with this one because my currently email address is a temporary email address right here. So they detected that and they prohibited me from entering their app. So let's just choose another one. And right here, let's just go for this one right here, PH ship, and click on add app again. And from here, we're gonna go install the app by clicking on install app right here. And from here, we can test out the app right here, and let's wait for it to load. And right here, as you can see, thank you for using FedEx rates, labels, and tracking app. So from here, you can just fill this out, the app installation, the account configuration, account health, and joint labels, and the instructions would follow right there. And I would add this video right here because this is just a simple tutorial just to guide you on how you can get started on configuring your tracking orders function here in Shopify. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.